My name is Thomas Andrews. I'm the creator of the T3 bag and the founder of T3 Power Ready. And welcome to our Take 5 with T3 Power Ready. Today, staying with the Dumbbell Core series, we are going to introduce movement number 6 of 100. Movement number 6 is one of my favorites, man. I'm getting excited, you know what I mean? I want to tell you about it. It's called the bag pass, man. And I really like this movement because it gives me an opportunity to work on my abdominals and my core from the upper and the lower. So it almost is like it involves the abdominal muscles and the middle, top, and the lower. So it really gets me engaged. So, well, without further ado, here we go. So you keep your bag open in this movement. You don't need a whole lot of weight. This is about 10, 12 pounds. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have a seat, move to the ground. I'm gonna put the bag right on top of my ankles. And from there, I'm just gonna lay back. I'm gonna try to keep my spine in a neutral position, flat to the ground. I'm just gonna lift up here. Some people do this with a Swiss ball. You can do it with a Swiss ball. You can do it with whatever. But the goal is to come on up powerfully, have enough weight here, grab the bag by the top of the straps, and then you just extend. Back. So try to get a crunch. Bring your shoulder blades off the ground if you can, and then back out. Lift. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. I like to really play with this bag, especially when it comes here, because I want to really work on to see what's happening, keeping my spine flat to the ground, just full extension, stretch those abs out, and then contract them powerfully. The legs come out. Hands return to the starting position, and then back. I'm in no hurry. Boom. Okay? Movement number 6. I do this movement 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. I like Tabata style counting, because the Tabata style counting allows me to be aggressive for 20 seconds, pause, regroup for 10 seconds. It's teaching me muscle endurance all throughout the movement. So when I want to put together 60 seconds or 2 minutes, I've earned the right to do that based upon the work that I've done. So movement number 6, bag pass. You can use it with this bag, a Swiss ball, you can use it a weight, you can use your partner, child, depends on how strong you are, okay? Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe to our channel. Our YouTube channel is T3 Power Ready. Leave any comments, any thoughts, whatever it might be. Let us know how we're reaching you and if we're teaching you. Teach us how to teach you. Teach us how to reach you so we can better serve one another. Thanks a lot for checking out our top 100 movements of T3.